We'll guide you through how to green screen on CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so you've got a video or some media with a green screen in and you want to go and remove it and go and use it. We're going to guide you through what you need to do and know about this. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and essentially remove the background as it's green, and you can go and have another video or picture beneath it. So you can go and change the background with this. It's really cool. You may go and have a video with this or an animation that you want to do it with. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go and start a new project in CapCut. So let's press new video. And then what you can do is go and choose a video or picture you want to go and do this with. What we're doing here is selecting what you want to go and have behind the green screen content. So I've got this video here, but you could be a picture as well. So press add in the bottom right. You can then play it back and there it is. So now what we need to do is we need to go and add in the media that we want to go and green screen and go and remove. So what you want to do is come to the bottom of CapCut, make sure you don't have anything selected. If you do, there's a back button in the bottom left you can then go and press. Now what we need to do is come down and find the option for overlay and you can tap there. And what you need to do is go and find the option for add overlay and you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do is we need to go and find the media that is the green screen. So you can go and see, I've got it at the top of my videos here. I can go and select it. And then you want to go and press add like so. And there it is. So now what you can do is you can go and pinch on it to go and resize it like so and adjust it to your liking. You can still go and make further adjustments later after you've gone and done the green screen. So it doesn't matter too much, but there it is. Now what you want to do is you can go and press the back button in the bottom left. Make sure you go and keep it selected in your timeline as it is. And then what you need to do is scroll down at the bottom and keep going along. And you need to go and find the option for remove BG like so. You're going to go and see the option for auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. Auto removal's got the little icon, which means it's for CapCut Pro, so you need to pay to use it. You got custom removal, but because this is green, we can go and use chroma key. So chroma key allows us to go and select the color we want to remove. So we can go and select the green and remove it. If it was blue, it could be the same. So I'll go and tap chroma key, and then what you need to do is go and select the green by clicking and holding in the preview as we have there. Now, once you've got it selected, you can come down and you want to start increasing intensity. If you increase it too much, it will start removing parts of the part you want to keep potentially. So there's going to be a sweet spot, try about 50. You can add some shadow if you want, and that's it. Then you can go and press the tick and you've now successfully removed it. Play it back and you can go and see there it is. And of course you can go and tap on it and you can tap on holding it to go and adjust when it is. And you can also adjust the start and end points by tapping, holding and dragging them. And you can go and adjust it where it is in the preview as well by tapping, holding and dragging.